welcome to my channel. I am Debbie. I have a really fun unboxing today from Diamond Art Club, and it is the Flintstones. This is the first cartoon canvas that I have purchased, and I just love the Flintstones growing up, and I saw this one and had to have it, so bam, there goes my no buy for the month, but that's okay. So this is the Flintstones Modern Stone Age Family is what this says. It is in a special box because it is a cartoon and it is legally licensed. It is a full diamond coverage. It has 24 colors with 2 ABs. It even tells you how many diamonds it has on here, and it has 20,064 diamonds, which that doesn't sound like very much in the grand scheme of things, but I love the box. I mean, the box is just so cute. It is a square because it tells us that it's a square. It does tell us how to diamond paint on the back, what is included in this cute little kit. So let me open this and get this started. It's the whole gang that's on here. And this does have the new squares, I would imagine. The new resin squares. Right, sorry for the crinkling. Okay, let me get this moved over to the side. And it's a smaller one, which I need a smaller kit in my life. Like, I really don't need another kit in my life, but I need a smaller one. Small's good. Okay. This does have the small sticker, and what I do is typically I will put it on the end of the box so I know what it is. I'm not sure if I'll do that on this one. Probably will, because when I put this in my room, my craft room, it becomes kind of difficult to see, and I like to put the smaller ones on my box and the larger sticker ones I put in my logbook. So let's take a look at the toolkit and see what all we got in here. Oh, I haven't had a purple pen before. I have a purple pen with a squishy, some extra baggies. I have a heart of wax. It comes with 2 plates of wax. Make sure you do take the plastic off front and back, or you will not have any you won't have any wax on your pen. Oh, this is cute. The washi, it is hearts, so perfect for Valentine's. That's really pretty. I don't have that one either. And then I have a boat with a stopper. This is a different boat than I've had before. I have a, what is this? A 7-placer, and this one is a 2-placer, and the single placer is already on your pen. These are really good tweezers. They're very sharp, so always keep the top on. And then they give you a cover minder. I have a little bear. I already have one of these gold bears, but I can always add to my collection. So now let's look at this canvas. I almost got SpongeBob when SpongeBob came out, but I didn't. I was really good, and I thought, no, I'm not gonna go the cartoon route. And then the Flintstones, it got me. It really did. As soon as this one released, I had to have it. And even my kids, they're old, you know, they're older. They're 25 and 21. And they even remembered the Flintstones. But look how cute this is. It's the whole gang there. We have Fred and Barney and Wilma and Betty and, is it Dino or Dino? And I think it's Dino. And then we have Bam Bam here and Pebbles up there. So this is gonna be so much fun. And look how colorful that this is. Again, it's 24 colors. It's a square. It's only a 32.9 centimeters by 37.8. And it does tell us that it's a modern Stone Age family. It does have this cute little thumbnail here. And then it has the 3 ABs, which I'll look and see where those ABs go. And it's gonna be so much fun to do. Look at all the color blocking. All of this up here is gonna be color blocking. The hair's color blocking. All of this over here with the background, that's all color blocking. The clothes, this will not take me any time to do, which is really nice. With what I'm working on, this gives us a pamphlet of tips and tricks and what's included in the kit on diamond painting. It also gives you a code to use on your next diamond painting. And then this is what I use. I cut this sticker out. I have a large logbook, so I have plenty of space to put the photos. And then this is the stickers you can put on your containers unless you just want to use those little baggies. I personally like the containers. And let's see. I just want to go through and look at not all of the drills, but I want to go through and see the ABs. Let's see. 2 big bags of 310s, 2 big bags of this orange. I'll never get this back in here, but that's quite all right. That's one thing I haven't mastered. As long as I don't take the drills out of this bag, then I can easily roll it back up and put it in the box. But once I take it out of that bag, I have the hardest time putting them back in. Here is one of the ABs. That is 132, an orange. That is number 1. Let's see on here where that's going to be. This is going to be right through here. That is part of Fred's shirt. There's a lot of 1s in Fred's shirt there. And then there's a little bit, that's the end of his shirt there. So Fred's shirt's going to be 141. And then let's see, or not 132, sorry, that's that orange I just showed you. And then this one is the other AB. That is 141, and that is white. That is a number 2 here. Trying to figure out, I do not see a number. That is going to be in Pebbles bone here for her hair. That's going to be that, and then that's all. And then some of, let's see, some of Wilma's, I think that's a necklace. Her necklace is going to be there. That is going to be an AB, that white. And that is all that I see on those. I will probably add some more bling to this, but not sure since it's a cartoon if I want to bling up a cartoon. So what are your thoughts about that? Let me know if you would bling up a cartoon or if you would just go with the ABs that's in here. I'm really curious about that. There's not that many drills here. Again, it won't take very long, but I want to get to this one because this looks like so much fun, and I've never done a painting like this before, so I am really looking forward to that. Let me know if you like doing the cartoons and how much fun that it is, and let me know about the blinging up. I'm really curious about that, what your thoughts are on blinging up something that's cartoonish. Thanks for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this one and you found this as fun as I do. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.